In this video I'm going to show you how you can make 3D text in Photopea. First of all, we want to select our text and type anywhere on our canvas. And we want to type in 3D text. Like this. And we want to select our cursor over here so we can drag it around. And I just want to place it right here in the middle and adjust the size a little bit, like this maybe. And after we have adjusted it and placed it where we want to be, we select this one and we click on blending options, and we come down here to the 3D section. And as you can see right here, we can adjust a lot of things right here. We have our opacity. If we turn this all the way to 0, it's gone. We have the distance. We have the shrink. And we also have the angle of which the 3D is going. And as you can see right here, we want to, let's just go out and select the text again here. And we want to select a blue color. And then we want to go back into our blending options and we want to select a bit darker blue. Maybe like this, yes. As you can see right here, we have our 3D text. We can scale it up a little bit and place it where we want to be. As you can see, we have our now created a 3D text.